In this video, I will talk about pure substance and impurities. What is pure substance? Pure substance contains particles of only one substance and also has no other substance mixed with it. In real life, very few substances are 100% pure. This is water. It has only water particles in it. It is 100% pure. This is another example of water particles. This water has particles of other substance mixed with it. It isn't pure. In this picture, this water has particles of harmful substance in it. It isn't pure and it could make you ill. Here, there are some examples like tap water and distilled water. Tap water contains small amounts of many different particles such as calcium ions and chloride ions. The particles in it are not usually harmful. Some are even good for you. But in distilled water, it is much purer than tap water and it is still not 100% pure. It may contain particles of gases dissolved from the air. Does purity matter? Often, it doesn't matter if a substance is not pure. We wash in tap water without thinking too much about what is in it. What is the meaning of impurity? Impurity is an unwanted substance mixed with the substance you want. Sometimes purity is very important. Baby foods and milk powder are tested in the factory to make sure they contain no harmful impurities. Getting ready for a job, vaccines and medicines must be safe and free of harmful impurities. Also, flavoring for food. How can you tell if a substance is pure? To identify a substance, you can check melting and boiling points. A pure substance has a definite, sharp melting and boiling point. When a substance contains an impurity, its melting point falls and its boiling point rises. Here, there are some notes. The more impurity there is, the bigger the change in melting and boiling point, the wider the temperature range over which melting and boiling occur. These are the melting and boiling points for two pure substances, sulfur and water. Sulfur melts at 119 degrees centigrade and water freezes at 0 degrees centigrade. Sulfur boils at 445 degrees centigrade and water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. In this picture, this sulfur sample melts sharply at 119 degrees centigrade and boils at 445 degrees centigrade, so it must be pure. In the other picture, this water freezes around negative 0.5 degrees centigrade and boils around 101 degrees centigrade, so it is not pure.